Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
I'm blushing. Hold on.
Those kids need
Now we gotta get in. We gotta get in.
We have to get in.
We gotta get in. Get in.
Look at that interior.
Nah, this is my dream car right here.
It's the old white.
Look at the mirror real quick.
Come on now. The angles are. You're driving. One hand
The
on
speaker right here. This is exactly what I need. The speaker got to be right here.
This is a bachelorette's car, like,
Yeah, for sure.
yeah. Put it on. I want to see that engine sound.
A few cars downstairs that you can test drive the truck, as well as the all-electric Mustang model.
Eruption Green. Velocity Blue. Grab a.
What's that?
Look at that Mustang. Whole time I'll be like, why do rappers like cars so much? Nigga, look at this shit, bro. Look at this, yo. Damn. Mustang. I was about to say, go ahead, press it. If you don't press it, I'll press it.
I can't even touch the pedal. I can't even touch the pedal.
Is there anyone that can turn this on, bro?
Bro,
Let's just hear how that
just
engine
kick us out.
sounds.
No, just kick us out.
Get all those white girls out here.
Get the
Imagine me just.
about to reverse the song. I was like, hold on.
He's authentic, God. Who's stopping me?
Let's get into the interior.
Yes, I love the interior so much.
Actually, I can't have no kids in here.
Take this car to the beach.
With the screen?
Mommy, did you pack my son's
No, nigga, I did not tell you to put it in your bag. Did I put it? Oh, damn. Come on, Ford.
Fun fact. Ford was the first automobile industry in America.
Okay.
Yeah, and they sold cars for like really, really cheap.
Damn.
$68,000, $70,000. Amen.
Please. Bring your baddest bitch. Everybody race down this line right here. That's what I'm saying. Everybody race down there.
Oh, test drive. Are we allowed to test drive it?
I think you probably have to show your license.
Oh.
We gotta show our license.
Baby,
Baby, what is a license? Nigga, we got the license. We got the license.
test drive?
I'm scared. I'm genuinely scared. Because it's like a new ass car.
I feel like we got it. Why is she going so fast? No. Yeah, be taking my time. No, I'll be like, I'll use my signal.
That's the
Really good driver. Is that a mom?
Yeah, that's definitely a mom. She come out feeling like a bad bitch. She come out feeling like a bad bitch. That dude cannot drive
At all.
bro. They lucky they didn't put no Jeep in here because I would have started barking. Tahoe. Big body looking like a Tahoe. Like, I would love to take a nap in a trunk. That sounds bad, but like, yo.
No, but like in this.
Yes, like, I'm just,
it's actually
just give me a pillow or just lie down there.
Yeah, I feel like I see why like, this is the car for like camping,
Yes,
road
bro.
trips. Like, all you gotta do is park somewhere, put your blanket up here,
Then just jump out.
and jump out.
Just jump out.
It's so roomy.
what I'm saying.
Unless you're a really, really big person, you can definitely fit that in.
Swear I got in your video.
So over. Come on, Barbie. Come on, Barbie.
Really?
I want that if you know. I didn't need Tokyo. What I realized when I grow up, I want to be a car.
I want to be a
I want to be a car.
like actually.
I want to be a car. Look at that bitch. Come on. Look at that blue jack back. Come on. Look at this beauty. Come on, man. If my future husband is watching this, this is my bride price. Don't go and get me 3 goats, 5 cows, no nothing. Get me this. Supposed to be with the car, not a ring. Not a ring. Will you marry me? I done found the love of my life as a car. Why would I marry a man when I can marry a car? Like, hello? Yo, look at this shit. It's so sexy, yo. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Oh, snap. You see that in the back? Yeah. Damn. Look at that in the back. It's cool. It's a nice car. It's spacious. Minimalistic. I like it. So, how you feeling after that?
Yeah, I liked it. I was worried at first when we were upstairs because
Yeah.
like, it was fun. I was like, this can't be all.
Facts.
We went
Downstairs.
That's where the party was.
Yeah, bro. If only because of, like, actually driven the cars.
Yeah,
but
that would've been fun.
I get why they didn't let us, though. Especially a nigga like me. Because I only got mischievous things on my mind if I'm getting in that car.
Yeah.
Especially a car I like.
They would have to have bands.
the whole District of Columbia. I'm done.
She not alive.
I'm done. Yeah.
That was cool.
We probably gonna get something to eat now. Yup. Great day.
Great day.
Great day. No, technology has gotten too far.
Right.
Oh, why is the thing like this? I hate this shit.
I know. How would you know if you're in drive?
That's what I'm saying. It don't got the Prindle.
Prindle?
Remember? So I just bought this car, so we're about to leave.
Off the lot.
Yeah, off the lot.
Even actually, Nicole said $20. She said $30. She said $40,000.
We said 50,000. I can imagine like shooting a music video at a car show.
No,
and
for
just
real.
going in different cars.
I feel like you have it. Yeah.
Ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay, let me put the key. Let me. Oh, this one you don't even need key. You just press power.
Just press power.
See luxury life.
Get her climbing into this car. Hold on. She's gonna climb into the car. Actually, that low key ate. Why did that low key eat though? You know. Nowadays we love a good screen.
We actually do.
Screen time going crazy. Screen time going crazy.
Screen time going crazy.
Screen time going.
She's not wrong, though. She's not wrong.
Shuts, man.
Treat me like white tea.
Hellcat, SRD. I'm gonna come up on me.